Hi there, Khan Tayim here from Khan University. We've taken a look at the significant changes looming in South Africa's skills development system, with the Quality Council for Trades and Occupations taking over all qualifications and part qualifications accredited by the sector education training authorities. The problem is, it is indeed going to happen. There is no way that it will not happen. We've delved into the implications for HR and training managers with the advice to not wait for training providers to inform them of these changes. We've also highlighted the importance of doing independent research to stay ahead of these developments. Providers are not telling their clients about this because those clients are going to start looking elsewhere for other options. Sadly, there will be a number of training providers who will go out of business in the next year because they're going to lose income. According to the Qcto OQM Circular 1 of 2022, sent to skills development stakeholders, sector education training authorities, Qcto quality partners, accredited skills development providers, accredited assessment centers and professional bodies. The learner registration end date for pre-2009 qualifications and unit standards on the OQSF shall be 30 June 2023. B. The learner enrollment end date for pre-2009 qualifications and unit standards shall be 30 June 2024. C. The learner achievement end date for pre-2009 qualifications and unit standards on the OQSF shall be 30 June 2027. It is therefore necessary for HR managers to be sufficiently informed to ask the right questions and to make sure their service providers comply with these new developments. Remember, the countdown to the changes is on. Preparation must start now. Understand the new landscape of our Qcto accreditation and ensure your training provider has it. In the link below, you'll find compliance documents for further information. If you found this report valuable, please feel free to subscribe to the Khan eVarsity YouTube channel. This is Khan Tayim, urging you to stay informed, stay prepared, and stay ahead. Thank you for your time. Now, we're moving on to our Q&A session. We've been flooded with a plethora of inquiries regarding the modifications in South Africa's skills development system, and we're going to tackle some of the most recurrent questions during this session. First and foremost, a considerable amount of you have expressed curiosity about the repercussions of not possessing Qcto accreditation. It's essential to understand the significance of Qcto accreditation. Without it, your training provider will not be recognized under the new system. This lack of recognition can have serious implications for your business. It might cause a substantial impact on your business operations, credibility, and overall market presence. Moreover, we've registered concerns about the hurdles of conforming to these new alterations. Indeed, the prospect of change can be intimidating. It can provoke feelings of uncertainty and discomfort. However, let us not forget that change is also a harbinger of new opportunities. It's a chance for reinvention, growth, and improvement. Initially, adapting to these changes might seem like a considerable challenge, but with the right mindset and the right resources, you can transform these challenges into prospects for significant growth and expansion. Furthermore, a considerable number of you have requested information on where to find more comprehensive details about these changes. We've anticipated this need and have therefore provided some links to the Qcto compliance documents in the description section of the Khan eVarsity YouTube channel. There you'll find a wealth of information about the shifts in the system, the compliance requirements, how to meet these requirements, best practices, and so much more. There is an exhaustive and detailed resource that will help you navigate this transition with ease. We encourage you to use this resource and to stay informed, as knowledge is our first line of defense in a changing landscape. We hope this session was informative and valuable. If there are any further questions, or if there's something you didn't understand, please feel free to reach out to us. We are here to support you throughout this transition. Remember, staying abreast with the latest information is the best way to stay ahead in this competitive world. For all your skills development needs and more videos and information on skills development and training in general, please subscribe to the Khan E Varsity YouTube channel. See you in our next video.